Wholistic Institute of Lifelong Learning, a partner of WIAL. Do you agree that lifelong learning is a lifestyle that each of us should embrace in this ever-changing world? Lifelong learning works when we apply learning by doing action learning. Wholistic Institute of Lifelong Learning, WIAL in short, is a strong advocator of action learning. WIAL founder Distinguished Professor Dr. K.C. Chan is the Distinguished Professor in Holistic Learning with Baron Priestungrange. Dr. K.C. Chan's holistic learning forms the backbone of project-based accelerated action learning, PBAL. We are living in the era of project-driven economy. The combined of projects with action learning is the ultimate total solution to nurture industry-ready talent to maximize entrepreneurs and corporate performance.
Most training courses are for knowledge advantage. Its effectiveness is only about 20%. The holistic approach through project-based accelerated action learning changes the landscape of traditional learning by first changing the way we think. The following 4 I's associated with the 4 types of thinking is the cornerstone of accelerated action learning that works in the real world. These learning skills can be applied in our daily life, at work, and eventually become our life skills. Ability to integrate and analyze things as a whole rather than on a piecemeal approach. Say no to firefighting. Ability to implement through a closed-loop system approach, leaving no stone left unturned. Ability to innovate, to stay ahead of our competitors by constantly creating new and relevant alternatives for short, mid, and long-term gain. Ability to improve and gain consensus from stakeholders to foster harmony, overcome rejection, and minimize resistance to change. We must first change the way we think holistically before any significant improvements can be realized. The 4 types of thinking skills form the framework for enabling successful strategy implementation. The first pillar is for management team. Strategy implementation by applying PBAL to convert strategies into projects. The second pillar is for everyone, which forms the heartbeat of every organization. Project management is a common language for prioritization of high business value work with minimum risks, which ultimately matured into a high-performance culture. The third pillar is the common ground for internal and external experts to join hands for intricate and complex problem solving. PBAL continual improvement cycle is to see, think, plan, do, study, and improve. Learning must be greater than the rate of change to meet the demand of customers and constant changing business environment. Project-based accelerated action learning, in short PBAL, ensures that reflective learning using a formalized approach will transform knowledge capital into expert power. This figure gives us a clear illustration on PBAL, which is a new framework for individual, team, and organization. The new paradigm shift for the future of learning. Change is the only constant. Our learning abilities must embark on PBAL to change faster, better, and smarter.
Be one of our Wholistic Institute of Lifelong Learning, WIAL, Project-Based Accelerated Action Learning, PBAL, Industry-Ready Talent. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more free seminar recordings.